Christmas?
I did say it was Christmas. It is Christmas.
Then where are all the presents, Sherlock?
Hey, don't ask me. Maybe Santa was just like, screw you guys. You guys suck this year.
All I did was just...
You fell down the stairs and almost broke your tablet. Well, your sister's tablet that you stole 8 months ago.
Yeah, that is true. Maybe that is why.
You idiot! Ah, this is so stupid.
Hold on, let me just make sure.
There's nothing there except...
Okay.
Did you just sniff it?
Yeah.
You don't sniff it, you idiot. Okay. Oh my God. What are we gonna do?
I don't know. Let's just try something.
What the frick? A drone? What? No, what the? Look upstairs.
Wait, what's going on? I just got back from the store. What's going on?
It says look upstairs.
Why is there a drone in my perfectly clean house?
Perfectly clean. There, perfectly clean again, you idiot. Where did this come from? Is it
How
you?
am I supposed to know?
Well, I guess let's look upstairs. This thing tells us to look upstairs. I don't think we want to offend whoever bought this here.
Whatever.
Okay, let's go.
Damien, come on. I thought we were checking upstairs.
We are checking upstairs, but you know I'm fat. I never passed gym. What?
What? Why are there Nerf guns?
I call shotgun! Oh,
You want to play that game?
Yeah, I want to play that game. Hey, you little hippie, don't shoot me. That's it. It's on. Oh, it's on. Oh! Stupid gun doesn't shoot very far.
I just switched to pistol, so we did.
Oh my God.
Gotta get him. Are you coming?
Here we go. I'm coming, you little... Oh, crap! No, I'm out of ammo!
That's right. Better. Need the ammo, because it counts.
Yeah, that's right. What are you doing? Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Rocket launcher! Oh, that's it. Oh!
Oh.
Right, that's it. What the? Ah!
Told you snipers don't mess around.
Oh man. Oh, that's it. Coming out! New life. Okay. One bullet left. You're kidding me. Oh, Jesus! Oh my God. Alright.
Oh, what happened?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Uh-oh. Bullets jammed.
Bullets jammed, eh?
What? Oh no!
I've been waiting to do this entire time.
Hunter? What are you...
Shut up. Finally.
So,
Jam. Yes! Woo! We have finally done it. And thank you guys all for watching this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Damien and I, this took a while to make. So I hope you had it.
Let's go.
And have a very